Yeah? Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Here, take my phone.
Where you going, Punchop? Where are you going?
Where are you going, friend?
How is that finger?
Is that
Yeah?
tasty?
Is it good? Is it very good? You little cannibal?
She's like, why are you holding that thing up?
Yeah.
What is that? Can I eat it?
Dance, monkey, dance.
Yeah.
What are you looking at?
Hi. Is that a pug?
Pug giving you kisses? Aw.
Yeah, you won't mind the pug kisses?
No.
They're not so bad. Was that a nearly sneeze? Is that what you're about to do?
Look at that hair. It's out of control. It's out of control.
She's just like, what are you doing? She was all interested in my hand, but now that I've got this camera up, she's like, what is that? What is that thing? I wonder if I turn it around.